So hello students, today we are going to do the second video on 12E. So in the first video I have done question up to 6. So if you see, we are doing fundamental concepts of algebra. This is my part 7 of my video lesson. So 12E, first you have already seen addition of algebraic expression. So concept I gave you on the left side, so please see that video about what was the concept of this exercise, and while teaching again I will remind you about those concepts. So here we start addition of algebraic expression, and in the final chapter, children, just to tell you before I start, 12F, we have subtraction of algebraic expression, where we may have minimum 2, video lesson of 3. Then we will finish this full series of fundamental concepts of algebra. So here we start addition of algebraic expression part 2, where we do more difficult questions. So first thing, if you see in question 8, find the sum of the following. This is not for question 8. If you see, this question is there up till 13. Okay, then 14 what we call is called simplify. So I'm going to start with question number 8. So we have to find the sum. So what I had taught you, see here, first expression I write, second expression also is in descending order. Children, see, this is descending order. What is descending order? Don't see the numerical value. This 8 is bigger than 5. Don't see that. See x cube, x square, 6x, then so cube term, square term, 1, which is maybe power 1 you may call. So here this is also in descending, but last one I wrote in the bracket because I have rearranged it. 16 comes here and minus 2x cube comes here. I think this is x cube, not square. So be very careful when you copy the question. One small error and your almost whole question may go wrong. Okay, so here we have to find sum. Okay, so 5 minus 2 we get 3x cube. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there, children, and plus is there. So minus 8 plus 1. So here if you see 5 minus 2 is 3, I am writing here minus 8 plus 1. So here the rule is, see, remember we have to recapitulate what we have seen. Like term x square, it will be x square only. See how nicely I have written x cube below x cube, x square. So this is how you will write x below x, constant below constant. Then your chances of making error is very less, children. So please take your time and write, see, all a square in one line, ab is in one line, bc is in one line. So when you do your work properly, when you write with good handwriting, then your chances of doing silly mistake is very less. So see here, minus 8 plus 1. So what we have learnt? So again you recapitulate that chapter where we have done, I think this is about addition and subtraction of integers. So subtract the smaller from the larger. Don't see minus. 1 minus 1 plus. So subtract the smaller 1 from the larger 8 and put the sign of the larger. Next, this is 6 and minus 2. So this is all you know, 4x. So here 16 plus 15, you add 31, then you subtract 3. So finally you get plus 28. So here like term is a like term, x square, but children, we add or subtract the numerical value, and this I have done nicely in the integers, what we call fundamental operation on integers. So class 6 what I have made, I'll send you the link, you can see in my description box later. And in 7 also almost I'm doing, where this chapter is called algebraic expression. So almost similar thing, children. So first I'll try to give you link of class 6 integers, and if needed, because fundamental concept remains same. So don't think so it is class 7 or 6. So when you see, you will understand, and the chances of making error here will be very less. So along with this, your another link will be followed for the addition and subtraction of integers, or maybe multiplication and division, but we are doing addition and subtraction. So recapitulate, that's why I am writing below. Let us do slowly, let us do nicely, and please see that video link what I am going to send, because like term you will get mark, but ultimately main mark you get for writing the right coefficient or numeral or numerical coefficient, and nothing should go wrong. So see here, plus 2, okay, minus 1, here nothing is there, minus 1, minus 8. So what we get, minus is added, children, okay, minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9, which we have done in integers. So now plus minus, so subtract the smaller from the larger and put the sign of the larger. So numerical value will be, see here, if you see minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7, a square, a square, a square. Okay, now let us see this AB will be AB. Now here is 1, nothing means 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 6 minus 3, so 7 minus 3 is 4. So below also I am showing you working. This you don't do in exam, you can do in the rough work, but I am doing here just to show you. So before, I forgot to tell you one thing. This question was, see here, 2a square minus 3ab plus 4bc. So a square ab, then bc term. Next one was like this, 6ab, so I brought it here, plus 6ab. Minus a square came here, so I rearrange. This is what I have taught you in my previous video, that like term should be in one column. This should be all same. So minus a square comes here, minus 5bc goes there. So this was the question. If you see, I have rearranged. Plus 13, see, first term I made it the last term, minus 8a square plus ab. So once they are same this way, then only you can add. You can always add the like term. See the last one over here, plus 13 plus 4 minus 5. So you get 17 minus 5 is 12. So this is plus 12 PC. Okay, so just copy, pause the video and copy, and see that all the numerical coefficients are, their addition is correct. Now let us go to sum number 12. So see here, you will see I have rearranged them, x square below x square, y square below y square, and z square. So you see the question. I have already explained to you in many of the question which I have done, that I put the like term column wise, so that addition subtraction is easy. So let us see. So we are going to add, children. Remember, this question is addition, and 14 part 1 and 3 which I will do, which is your simplify. And this is what we call one row operation. So remember, this is one row operation. What I'll do, I'll show you. This is column operation. So column is generally vertical and row is always horizontal. Horizon, what we call horizontal. Now minus 2 plus 2, if you add, it will become 0. So minus 6 plus 5 is minus 5x square. So you can add like this, plus 2 minus 2 minus 6, this is nothing but plus 1. So add the plus first, children. You will get 3 minus 8. Minus you add, and this is 3, so you get minus 5. Okay, so this working also I am showing you. So here plus minus you can already cancel. If you think can cancel it, but better don't cross it here. Minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11 y square. So these two cancels each other, children. And these are added. Minus is added with minus, and numerical value you add. Minus 8 minus 3 minus 11, and it is minus. Last one we have z. 6z square plus z square plus z square. So we have 8z square. So kindly pause the video and copy question 12. Then we move on to question 14 part 1. So I give you enough time, children, in between, that you copy and see nicely. You can pause the video nicely and we can copy clearly. So here, children, this is first question I think on row operation. So what I'll do here, see nicely, all the cube term I'll put it together. So wherever I see cube, children, so I see basically 2 cube over here. So 2m cube minus 5m cube. If you see square term also, children, this is square term and this is square term. So minus 5m square plus 2m square. Okay, then plus 3m. Okay, m term you see. So I see 3m term. 3m minus 8m plus 6m. Now you see numbers, children, numbers. Minus 6, I'm writing, I'm not going to that corner, I'm writing below, but you can write. Or you can turn your copy like this. If your copy is like this, turn like this and write. Okay. So 90-degree turn you do. Minus 6, then I see one more number, plus 2, then plus 5. So count the total number of things. So here in this question I'm doing slowly. You also do slowly. Rather being late than being wrong. You can give time, but if you are wrong, whole effort goes waste. So please take your time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let us see, this will give you plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3m cube. So this will be cube minus m square. 5 plus 2 is minus 3m square. This I told you is cube. So this 2 also have done like term. 8 plus 6. So you can write in one step directly. You can do 3 plus 6, 9 minus 1 is m. And this number you see minus 6. This is plus 7. Will give you plus 1. So you could have used one more step to add and then subtract. Otherwise you can do like this also, what I have done. Okay, because these are two term I get here. Only here you could have written 9 minus 9m, one more step minus 8m, and here you could have write plus minus 6 plus 7. So if you write, well and good. If you don't write, also well and good. So then after this, please pause the video and copy. Then I move on to the last question, that is 14 part 3, and with that we will end addition, and then from next video lesson we'll go to 12F, where we will do subtraction of algebraic expression. So now we move on to the very last question of this exercise 12E. Now this is also what is one row operation we have. So all the like term, children, so just I put a tick mark, means I try to bring them together. So my this 2 over p square term over there, like term, minus 2pq. So see, I use different symbol on top to mark that I have already taken those terms. So minus 2pq plus 5pq plus 5p plus 5p minus 3p. Okay, now we are left with q. So here I can make an asterisk, minus 4q, and this is plus 3q. So how we make asterisk, children, you will see plus and then minus. Okay, this is what is called asterisk. You use the mobile, you know, hash. Okay, hash is something like this, I think. Okay, hashtag they also called, asterisk. Sometimes we call star, I think. So like those symbol, you can use hash also. So what I have done over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the terms I have written, I have not missed. Even if you miss one term, children, whole answer will go wrong. So if teacher is generous, you may get half of the question, even one answer goes wrong. Okay, if you see the answer, correct answer, you may get 0. So be very careful, practice, be vigilant, then your chances of making silly mistakes will be very less. Now 3 plus 4 is 7p square minus 2 plus 5. Don't see the like term, this will be pq. So minus 2 plus 5 is 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, this is done. 5p minus 3p, this is 2p. These two are like term, and the last one minus is bigger. Minus 4 plus 3, subtract the smaller from the larger and put the sign of the larger, and 1 cube we don't write. So finally check. 3 plus 4 7, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, then here, okay, don't draw line here, just I was showing you. Here you just differentiate here like you have. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is your what should be in the rough work, children. So here as you see 5 plus 2 is so here if you see 7 plus 3, okay, we get here minus 2 plus 5 is 3. So here you see this 2, 5p minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, and you see here this is done. Your 5p minus 3p is 2p, and minus 4q plus 3q, minus 4 plus 3 I told you is minus 1. So my answer is right, and this working, children, I could have done there, but I have explained. You don't do here, you don't please do here, just I have explained. If you want to do on the right side. Generally you can do at the bottom. Many times children they ask, sir, where to do the rough work? This is very important, rough work, children. If it is very important, you write on the right side. Make a column here, ROUGH, and do here. And if it is less important and very big, then you can do down, but generally try to do on the same page. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this video lesson. So kindly pause the video. Almost I have done more than half of this exercise 12e. So what I have done you do all, and what I have not done also you practice and see the solved example also, and recapitulate the concept which is given in the book and which I have given in the first video of my this exercise. Thank you, children, for watching this lesson.